he's from the breeding Nina and Stuart. And he has not been on birds at all. And he's still has a young mind. But he's got a nice body. Getting this dog a little bit of fuel so he knows that there's birds out here to hunt, and he doesn't know. He doesn't even know what the game is. There's the Johnny house. So he does like that. Wind's coming from back over here, like behind us a little bit. Give him some time. Lots of deer have been moving through here. He's been, we've brought him out into the field and he's been socializing, but I wouldn't say that he's socialized where he knows every scent of everything over here. So I planted the bird up in this bush right here, this single bush. So he's kind of coming downwind of it right now. I think he's got to move up a little bit more on it, on his path. That's this way. Let's see what he does. Going right to it. That's right. Doesn't know what it is. What? Up in here because he's trust me, right? I'm his safety. Ooh, there. Good boy. Atta boy. Atta boy. Atta boy. Good boy. Good boy. Atta boy. Yeah, let him get back in there. Good boy. I think we're out in the cornfield. Attaboy. Attaboy. And let's take him down now by the Johnny house. He has no idea there's birds in there. And then let's see what he does. That nose on the ground is an indication we still need more socializing to the field. And we need to start honing in on birds. That's what we're doing. This is the start of it. We have like see, there may be some scent there. We have a warm spell and no snow, as you can see in Minnesota, for the next few days. So we got some dogs to train, and we're going to train them. I like the nose. He definitely hits that scent, and his head goes up. He's picking up the Johnny house. That's what he's doing right now. But it takes one bird, and all of a sudden, you got a different dog by that scent. That's the genetics that we look for in the dogs. We don't want it too much, so they're going absolutely bonkers, but we have something to work with. We don't have to be mean to it to hunt. Good boy. Atta boy. So we're trying to get him to associate that scent with a really, really good thing, of course. So, come on, boy. Where like if they get into deer, like this is deer, and then just make that different noise, and there you go, right? So there's no good difference between positive and negative. So that's a much different run for a dog at this age, because he's not searching. We're just spoon feeding him birds right now, and then he'll start searching. So what we're gonna do this, good boy. We're gonna